In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the separate histograms and separate descriptive statistics associated with the alcohol dosage and memory span performance study. So I've got my memory span scores over here. Just to clarify, we got 72 cases in all. And then we have the grouping variable where 1 is demarcating one group, 2 is demarcating another, and 3 is high dose. We can actually check the values to make sure that's correct. Low, medium, and high. Yep. Okay, so to get the separate histograms, you can go into Graphs, Legacy Dialogues, Histogram, and place the dosage, the memory span dependent variable in the variable box, and then you want the separate grouping variable or the independent variable in the panel by rows box. Click OK, and here you get what SPSS produces automatically, which is not too differently from what you get in terms of the actual structure. You can see we've got low, medium, and high dose as reported in the textbook. And here are the same ones. That's what I started with when I started creating that figure. And you can change things to make it a bit better. So let's get rid of the border, for example. And that should start making things look a bit better. We need to increase the font size, possibly to about 12. And you might want to make that in bold, something like that. So frequency would have to be also same font size. I'm not going to do the whole thing. Yeah, so let me just fix that thing there. Don't want any decimal places, or did I have any decimal places in mine? I didn't, so there we go. And change the text style to 12 and bold. And obviously the colors are a little bit different here. There we go. It's not exactly the same as what I produced in the textbook, but it's pretty close. And that's how you go about creating a paneled histogram in SPSS. The second part that you need to know is how to calculate descriptive statistics separately for each group, particularly if you needed the skew and kurtosis. It's easy to get the mean and standard deviations when you conduct something like a one-way between subjects ANOVA, but you're not going to get the skew and kurtosis levels automatically. So one way to do that is to split the file, go to Data, Split File, and compare groups. And you want to compare the 3 dosage groups and click OK. And so now SPSS is going to produce all results segregated across the group. So if I go into Analyze Descriptive Statistics Frequencies and put memory in this frequencies box, and then click Statistics, Mean, Median, Standard Deviation, Variance, I can click all of them, minimum, maximum, skew, and kurtosis. Click OK, and then deselect frequency tables. And here I'm getting all the descriptive statistics associated with each group. So the low group had a mean of 21.77, medium 19.93, and high 13.06. Again, you can get that with just the regular descriptive statistics from an ANOVA, but you're not going to get skewness and kurtosis. That you have to do separately. Now, this isn't the only way to get these results segregated, but it's certainly a common way to do it. One tip I'll give you is that once you've done this analysis, you might carry on and do further analyses. What you should do as a matter of habit is de-split your file once you've split it and you don't want it split anymore. I've made that mistake many times, and I'll continue to do it, I suspect, because I just forget about it. So try to remember to de-split after you've split and you no longer need it split. So that's how you do a paneled or layered histogram and get separate descriptive statistics for your groups.